Marking is done with coconut leaf. This assists other employee in determining where HDPE is leaking and also saving time during repairing procedure. As you can see on the video, the worker cut the HDPE lining to fit the hole to be patched to save usage costs. The worker smoothed the lining with a grinder machine, as seen in the video, to make the procedure of gluing the HDPE liner easier and more durable. Contaminants that remain in the HDPE lining, such as dust or algae, make the bonding process difficult and time-consuming. The HDPE lining is attached using a plastic extruder. The machine operates by melting the plastic and gluing the HDPE lining to be pasted to the surface. A damp sponge is used to speed up the hardening of the HDPE liner. As you can see, the worker carrying the sponge wiped the already plastered section with the HDPE lining is being passed. This is done to speed up the process while maintaining the HDPE layer flat and smooth.